Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make a triangular stylish bubu top. A triangular stylish bubu top. You'll be needing your fabric, tailor's chalk, staple and scissors. Fold your fabric into two. Fold again into triangular form. Mark 3 inches for the neck depth and then connect to width as seen here. It should look like this after cutting. Divide your hip measurement by 4. Add ease allowance. From the pointed triangle, come up to where the hip circumference fits in and mark. Sew along the dashed lines as seen here. You will have something like this. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.